Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to bust some major myths about a financial tool that is often misunderstood. The money market. I hear it all the time. People have these fixed ideas about what money markets are and what they are, and frankly, a lot of those ideas are just plain wrong. If you've been overlooking money markets, you might be missing out on a powerful way to manage your cash. So, let's clear the air and stop thinking about money markets in these outdated ways. First up, the biggest misconception. Money market funds are the same as money market accounts at a bank. This is a huge one, and it causes so much confusion. They sound similar, but they are fundamentally different. A money market account, or MMA, is a type of savings account offered by banks and credit unions. It's FDIC insured, meaning your money is protected up to $250,000. A money market fund, on the other hand, is a type of mutual fund. It's an investment product. It invests in short-term high-quality, debt like government securities and commercial paper. Because it's an investment, it is not FDIC insured. Now, don't let that scare you. Money market funds are considered one of the safest investments out there because they are strictly regulated and aim to maintain a stable share price, usually at $1. But they are not the same as a bank account, and it's crucial to know the difference. Myth number 2. Money market funds don't earn any real interest. My savings account is better. This might have been true years ago, but in today's interest rate environment, it's often the complete opposite. For a long time, interest rates were near zero, and yeah, the returns on money market funds were pretty minimal. But with rates having risen significantly, money market funds are now offering yields that are often much higher than what you'd get from a standard high-yield savings account. We're talking about competitive returns that can actually help your cash outpace inflation, something a regular savings account rarely does. So, if you're still thinking they pay next to nothing, it's time to check the current yields. You will likely be very surprised. The third myth I want to tackle is that money markets are too complicated for the average person. Get Italiano. The word fund or securities can sound intimidating, but honestly, getting into a money market fund is incredibly simple. If you have a brokerage account, which many of you do, for stocks or ETFs, can buy into a money market fund, just as it's often the default cash position in your account, meaning any uninvested money might already be sitting in one, earning you interest automatically. There's no complex trading strategy involved. You put money in, it earns a competitive yield, and you can typically take it out whenever you want. It's designed to be a simple, liquid place for your short-term cash. Myth number 4. My money is locked up and I can't access it. This is another big one that holds people back. People hear investment and think their money is tied up for years. But money market funds are all about liquidity. That's their main feature. They are designed for short-term savings, like your emergency fund, a down payment for a house, or just cash you're waiting to invest. Most funds allow you to sell your shares and have the cash back in your account within a business day. Some even come with check writing privileges or a debit card, making them almost as accessible as a checking account, but with a much higher potential return. So, the idea that your money is inaccessible is just not true. So let's recap. Money market funds are not bank accounts. They are currently offering very competitive yields, often better than savings accounts. They are simple to use, and they are highly liquid. By letting go of these old myths, you can see them for what they are. A fantastic tool for managing your short-term cash, keeping it safe, and making it work harder for you. If you've been letting a pile of cash sit in a low-yield account, it might be time to give money market funds a serious look. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this cleared things up for you. If you found this helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Let me know in the comments if you use money market funds or if you have any other questions. See you in the next video.